Want to be a respected arbitrator? Start with the Code of Professional Ethics for Arbitrators. It's the spark that ignites independence, fairness, and honor within you. Watch till the end to unlock the key to turning your career into a noble mission. Don't miss it. In the realm of conflict resolution, the arbitration profession stands as a beacon of fairness and impartiality, guiding parties through the complexities of disputes with a commitment to justice and integrity. The Code of Professional Ethics for Arbitrators, established by the Ho Chi Minh City Commercial Arbitration Center, TRACENT, in 2018, serves as a cornerstone for this noble profession, outlining the ethical standards that govern the conduct of arbitrators. This code is not merely a set of rules. It is a reflection of the values that underpin the arbitration process, ensuring that it remains a trusted avenue for resolving conflicts and fostering cooperation. The importance of ethical standards in arbitration cannot be overstated. In a world where disputes can escalate into protracted conflicts, the role of an arbitrator is to provide a fair and impartial resolution that respects the rights and agreements of all parties involved. The principles enshrined in the Code of Professional Ethics are designed to uphold the integrity of the arbitration process, ensuring that arbitrators act with the highest level of professionalism and moral responsibility. This commitment to ethical conduct is essential not only for the credibility of individual arbitrators, but also for the entire arbitration community and the legal framework within which it operates. At the heart of the Code of Professional Ethics are several general principles that govern the conduct of arbitrators. These principles serve as guiding lights, illuminating the path that arbitrators must follow in their professional lives. First and foremost is the duty to protect the law. Arbitrators are entrusted with the responsibility of interpreting and applying the law fairly and consistently. This duty extends beyond mere compliance with legal statutes. It encompasses a broader commitment to justice and the rule of law. Arbitrators must ensure that their decisions are rooted in legal principles and that they respect the legal rights of all parties involved in the arbitration process. Equally important is the principle of respecting parties' agreements. Arbitration is fundamentally based on the consent of the parties involved. Arbitrators must honor the agreements reached by the parties, ensuring that their decisions reflect the intentions and expectations of those who have chosen arbitration as their preferred method of dispute resolution. This respect for parties' agreements fosters a sense of trust and confidence in the arbitration process, encouraging parties to engage in good faith negotiations and to seek resolution through arbitration rather than resorting to litigation. Independence and impartiality are perhaps the most critical principles that govern the conduct of arbitrators. An arbitrator must be free from any bias or conflict of interest that could compromise their ability to make fair and objective decisions. This independence is not just a personal attribute, it is a professional obligation. Arbitrators must disclose any potential conflicts of interest and take proactive measures to ensure that their impartiality is not called into question. The integrity of the arbitration process hinges on the perception and reality of an arbitrator's independence, making this principle essential for maintaining trust in the system. The relationships that arbitrators maintain with clients, colleagues, and TRACENT are also central to the ethical framework established by the Code. Professional responsibility is a key aspect of these relationships. Arbitrators must conduct themselves in a manner that reflects positively on the arbitration profession and upholds its standards. This includes engaging in continuous professional development, staying informed about changes in the law and arbitration practices, and fostering a culture of respect and cooperation among colleagues. Confidentiality is another critical element of the ethical landscape in arbitration. Arbitrators must ensure that all information related to the arbitration process remains confidential, safeguarding the privacy of the parties involved. This obligation extends to all communications and documents exchanged during the arbitration proceedings. By maintaining confidentiality, arbitrators not only protect the interests of the parties, but also reinforce the integrity of the arbitration process itself. Parties must feel secure in sharing sensitive information, knowing that their privacy will be respected. Respect and cooperation among colleagues are also vital components of the ethical framework for arbitrators. The arbitration community thrives on collaboration and mutual support. Arbitrators are encouraged to engage with one another, sharing insights and experiences that can enhance their understanding of complex issues and improve the quality of arbitration. This spirit of cooperation extends to interactions with Tracent, which plays a crucial role in overseeing the arbitration process and ensuring compliance with ethical standards. Arbitrators must work closely with Tracent to uphold the integrity of the arbitration process and contribute to the development of best practices within the profession. The Code of Professional Ethics also outlines procedures for inspection and supervision, ensuring that arbitrators adhere to the established ethical standards. Tracent is tasked with monitoring the conduct of arbitrators and addressing any violations that may arise. This oversight is essential for maintaining the credibility of the arbitration process and ensuring that arbitrators are held accountable for their actions. The procedures for handling violations are designed to be fair and transparent, allowing for appropriate consequences while also providing opportunities for education and improvement. In cases where violations of the code occur, Tracent has the authority to impose sanctions, ranging from reprimands to disqualification from future arbitrations. These measures serve not only to address specific instances of misconduct, but also to reinforce the importance of ethical behavior within the arbitration community. By taking a proactive approach to enforcement, Tracent demonstrates its commitment to upholding the highest standards of professionalism and integrity in arbitration. Amendments to the Code of Professional Ethics are also addressed within its provisions. The arbitration landscape is continually evolving, and the code must adapt to reflect changes in legal standards, societal expectations, and best practices. The process for amending the code is designed to be inclusive, allowing for input from arbitrators, legal practitioners, and other stakeholders in the arbitration community. This collaborative approach ensures that the code remains relevant and effective in promoting ethical conduct among arbitrators. Reflecting on the significance of the Code of Professional Ethics for arbitrators, it becomes clear that its impact extends far beyond the individual conduct of arbitrators. The code fosters trust and respect within the arbitration community, creating an environment where parties can engage in dispute resolution with confidence. When arbitrators adhere to ethical standards, they not only enhance their own credibility, but also contribute to the overall integrity of the arbitration process. This, in turn, promotes a law-abiding society where disputes can be resolved fairly and efficiently without resorting to adversarial litigation. In conclusion, the Code of Professional Ethics for Arbitrators, established by Tracent in 2018, represents a vital framework for ensuring the integrity and professionalism of the arbitration process. Its key principles, including the duty to protect the law, respect parties' agreements, and uphold independence and impartiality, serve as guiding tenets for arbitrators in their conduct. The relationships that arbitrators maintain with clients, colleagues, and Tracent are grounded in professional responsibility, confidentiality, and mutual respect. The procedures for inspection and supervision, along with provisions for amending the code, demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement and accountability within the profession. The significance of this code cannot be overstated. It is a testament to the nobility of the arbitration profession and its role in fostering trust and respect within the legal community. As arbitrators uphold these ethical standards, they contribute to a more just and equitable society, ensuring that disputes are resolved in a manner that reflects the values of fairness, integrity, and respect for the rule of law. In doing so, they not only honor their profession, but also serve the greater good of society as a whole. Ready to level up your skills? Don't stop here. The Commercial Arbitration Mentorship Program will bring you practical secrets from top experts. Stay tuned for the next videos to conquer the heights of arbitration. Your journey has just begun.